And the last category of selection tools is based on edges. So I'm going to zoom out here. Let's see the whole duck, and we're going to get rid of the marching ants here. Okay, and the last tool is this guy here, Quick Selection. This is the most recent addition to the tools unit, and this is really cool. I've actually become a big fan of it. Notice what happens here. It's got a circle, so it's like a paintbrush, and it's got a plus sign on it, which is, you know, the times we've seen plus sign before, it means we're adding to our selection area. Well, that's actually what this means. This is the only tool that starts you off by being by default continually adding to your selection. So here's how this one works. This works like a paintbrush. You just kind of paint in here, and look what happens. I barely moved, and it selected almost everything of yellow up here. Now I can click across this eye, and it selects that. I'll select on that eye. We're good. I can just do a quick select down here, and it pretty much grabs everything. And it's all based on where Photoshop is seeing the edge detail. It's seeing contrast. I mean, it obviously sees contrast between the yellow and the red, where the eyes were, of course, and it sees the edge detail, the contrast between the yellow and the white. So it says, oh, you must want to select all this stuff. And you just paint. It's extremely easy. And of course, if you don't want, you know, if you've gone overboard somehow, which can happen, you can use the minus sign. You can subtract, just like we did before with the rectangular and elliptical marquee tools. You hold down the Option key, and I can unselect this stuff. And you might have to make a smaller brush here. There we go. And you may have to kind of reapply certain things. There we go. Not bad at all. I think there's maybe a little bit here. No, that's actually good. So the same brush things apply with the brackets. Option works to subtract. And notice what happens up here. Right now it's in positive or add mode, add to selection. And if I hit the Option key, it should turn this guy on, but apparently it's not, but it does normally. And then if you just want to continually create new selections, like this over here, it'll get rid of your earlier marching ants and do its best to continually add. Wow, we went back into add mode and I didn't even try it. How do you like that?